Assure versus ensure versus insure. These three terms are often confused because not only do they sound quite similar, but they also all make an outcome sure. They are by no means interchangeable. So let's break it down. I assure you that he is a great lawyer. We use assure in this sentence to speak out a promise or say something with confidence. Please ensure that you will be home at 5 today. In this case, we use insure to make something certain. I insure my camera because it was expensive. In this last example, we use insure because we protect something against risk by obtaining insurance for an object. I am sure you are a pro at using the right word in the right situation now. That's it for today. See you next time. I insure my camera